Is your powder room looking plain, builder grade, or just outdated? Don't worry, you don't need a full renovation to make it look amazing. Today I'll share 4 simple tricks that can completely transform your powder room on any budget. First, let's talk about paint and wallpaper. A fresh coat of paint is the cheapest and fastest way to change a space. For a bold look, try a deep color on the walls or add wallpaper with a fun pattern. Powder rooms are very small, which makes them perfect for experimenting with dramatic styles you might not try elsewhere in your home. Next, upgrade your mirrors and lighting. Builder-grade bathrooms usually come with a plain slab mirror and basic light fixture. Swapping this out for a frame statement mirror in a modern sconces instantly adds style and character. Lighting, especially in small spaces, makes all the difference. So do not be afraid to go elegant with brass or matte black finishes. Third, focus on your vanity and hardware. Even if you keep the same vanity base, new cabinet handles, knobs, or a fresh faucet can modernize the whole space. For an extra upgrade, consider changing out the countertop for a stone or quartz. Remember, powder rooms are very small, so you will not need much material. And finally, the finishes touches. Decor and accessories. Floating shelves with wool towels, a piece of artwork, a chic soap dispenser, or even a small plant can take your powder room from basic to beautiful. These details create the polished designer look you are going for. And that is it. With just paint, better lighting, updated hardware, and a few thoughtful accessories, your outdated powder room can feel brand new, even without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more makeover videos, and share down below which tips